Hello students, I Sri Nishit Mondol, Assistant Teacher of Chakda Ramlal Academy. I am going to take an online class of health and physical education. Good morning to all of who are now on another side of this screen. Students, today we shall learn about Yogasana. Yoga is the oldest discipline in exercise. The word yoga comes from Sanskrit yuj, Y-U-J. Yuj means to unite, to coordinate, and to immerse. In other words, it is unification of body and mind or balance between opposites. For an example, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 means 4 adding with 2 made 6. Similarly, health and sound human body makes by adding body and mind. That means body plus mind is equal to sound human body. The main objectives of yoga is to make a connection between body and mind. According to Rig Veda, about 2500 to 3000 years ago, Mahorshi Patanjali, father of yoga, codified Ashtanga Yoga. The 8 stages of this Ashtanga Yoga are: 1. Yama, 2. Niyam, 3. Asana, 4. Pranayam, 5. Pratyahar, 6. Dharana, 7. Dhyan, and 8. Samadhi. Among 8 phases or forms of yoga, asana is the third in the series. The method of keeping the body still in a particular posture, maintaining the peace of mind and case of body for a certain period of time is called asana. Students, today we shall learn about asana named Ardha Chandrasana. At first, I will discuss and demonstrate it part by part. After that, I shall also discuss the need and importance of these asanas. Let's start the video or demonstration, the asana. You can open your textbook and follow me. Okay, students, follow me. At first, I stand this position. Then first, we have to come in attention position. Attention position. Ardha Chandrasana starts from this attention position. Then see, No, 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 no. Okay, let's. You can see first in stand in attention position, just like this. Then normal breathing, also from beginning to end, the breathing will normal. Next, attention position. Next, your two hands gradually upwards, gradually upwards at the shoulder level. Here you see the two hands in horizontal into land, palm facing downwards, and fingers together, just like this. And then just recording or two hands, just like this, recording, and palm facing from downwards to upwards. And then again two hands raise over your head gradually and slowly over your head. And next, from this position, you bend, just bend backward, just like this. Slowly, breathing will normal. Slowly, hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Then reverse. Come to this position and gradually reverse hands besides you. Then palm downwards. Then attention position. And after that, you must do Padahastasana. Padahastasana. Ardha Chandrasana, backward bending, or Padahastasana, forward bending. Okay. Okay, students. Yoga, the benefits of yoga. What is the benefits of yoga? Now, we can learn. Yoga is a spiritual, mental, and physical practice that has been around since ages. With time, people have discovered a number of health benefits associated with yoga. Yoga does more than burning calories and strengthening muscles. It is a workout which involves both body and mind. The International Yoga Day starts a good habit and promise yourself the following health benefits. Number 1, improve posture. If you practice regularly yoga, then it must be improve your posture. Number two, increases flexibility. If you practice regularly, then it also increases your flexibility. Number three, build muscle strength. Such type of yogasana, if you practice regularly, then it will build your muscle strength. Next, boost metabolism. You know about metabolism. So boosting your metabolism, such type of yoga helps us. Next, increases blood flow. Any kind of exercise helps us to increases our blood flows. So yoga also kind of exercise. Therefore, it also helps us to increases our blood flow, increases self-esteem. Next, improves lung function. Any kind of exercise improves our lung function. Yoga also improves our lung function. And lastly, if you practice yoga regularly, then it must be help you sleep better. Okay. After this video, I shall send you photos which helps you the proper rules and regulation of practicing the yogasana. If you practice yogasana regularly, then you will be fit citizen, and I wish every success will kiss you. Okay. Lastly, in this dangerous time, my earnest request to all of my sweet students, please don't break the lockdown rules and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.